Hey guys, I wanted to try something out. So if you notice here on the upper dryer, there's a child lock option. But unlike on the lower dryer where it actually has like a locking mechanism here, like the washer, this one does not. So I'm very curious as to how this would lock. I'm imagining that these probably are magnets in here and they probably activate when they touch this. Like, I don't know how else it knows that the door is open too. That's another thing. So let's see what happens when we turn on that child lock. That didn't do anything. Let's maybe we gotta start it. Oh, it only locks the controls. Oh. I was gonna say that actually makes sense. Let's try the dryer's child lock. I want to see if that actually like locks. No, it doesn't. Is it also just a control lock thing? It's gotta be. That's interesting. All right, because on my uncle's Samsung dryer, it actually locked. Like I physically couldn't open the door, but on this it doesn't. Very interesting. All right, mystery solved.